versus Caraway. Two brands promising non-toxic, eco-friendly cookware that's safe for your family and the planet. But here's what nobody's telling you. One of these Instagram-famous brands is charging you a massive premium for aesthetics and marketing, while the other has been quietly perfecting ceramic non-stick technology for over a decade. And the answer might surprise you, because the newer, trendier brand isn't necessarily the better choice. So which brand actually delivers on its eco-friendly promises? Which one gives you better performance when you're cooking actual food? And more importantly, which ceramic coating will still be non-stick a year from now? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which eco-friendly cookware belongs in your kitchen. Let's start with the pioneer. GreenPan launched in 2007 as the world's first healthy ceramic non-stick cookware company. They literally invented Thermolon, the ceramic non-stick coating that started the entire PFAS-free cookware revolution. They've had 15+ years to refine their technology and prove their durability in real kitchens worldwide. Then Caraway burst onto the scene in 2019 with a completely different strategy. Beautiful pastel colors, Instagram-perfect aesthetic, magnetic pan rack storage systems. They positioned themselves as the premium lifestyle brand for health-conscious millennials. Within 3 years, they became one of the most talked-about cookware brands on social media. Both brands claim to be completely PFAS-free. Both use ceramic non-stick surfaces. Both feature aluminum cores for heat distribution. But let's not pretend the differences don't matter. GreenPan pioneered the entire ceramic non-stick category and holds multiple patents on their coating technology. Caraway entered the market partnering with established manufacturers, focusing on design and marketing rather than developing new technology. Here's where things get controversial. A standard GreenPan 10-inch frying pan costs around half the price of the equivalent Caraway fry pan. That's nearly double the price for similar ceramic non-stick technology. It's the same with complete sets. A comparable 12-piece GreenPan collection costs approximately half what you'd pay for Caraway's equivalent set. You're paying double for what appears to be the same or similar ceramic non-stick performance. Caraway defenders argue you're buying a complete storage solution with magnetic pan racks and coordinated aesthetic. GreenPan supporters counter that you're paying a substantial premium for organizational accessories and pastel colors rather than superior cooking performance. Here's what nobody tells you. Both brands source similar ceramic coating technology. Caraway doesn't manufacture their own proprietary coating system. You're not paying more for better non-stick performance. You're paying for design, marketing, and that viral social media presence. Let's talk about what actually matters. How long does the non-stick coating last? This is where social media marketing meets kitchen reality. GreenPan claims their Thermolon coating withstands temperatures up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit. Their higher-end lines feature reinforced ceramic coatings with diamond particles for extra durability. Caraway emphasizes their coating won't release toxic fumes when overheated. All true, but ceramic non-stick, regardless of brand, has a shorter lifespan than traditional Teflon or stainless steel. User reviews reveal similar patterns for both brands. The non-stick works beautifully for a couple years, then gradually the coating begins losing its properties. Food starts sticking, you need more oil. GreenPan users report their pans maintain good non-stick properties for 18 months to 3 years with proper care. Caraway users report similar lifespans, roughly 2 years before degradation begins. The expensive truth, you're getting similar durability from both brands, regardless of the price difference. Caraway's signature pastel colors aren't your grandmother's cookware. Sage green, cream, navy, they're designed to be displayed and shared on social media, and that aesthetic comes with a significant price premium. GreenPan offers some colored options, but they focus on cooking performance rather than Instagram appeal. Their pans look professional and functional, but won't transform your kitchen into a lifestyle magazine spread. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Caraway's business model is built on selling you an aesthetic lifestyle, not just cookware. You're paying extra for packaging, branding, and that viral unboxing experience. If you value having cookware that makes your kitchen look amazing, that that aesthetic premium might be worth it. If you care about cooking performance and durability per dollar spent, you're essentially subsidizing Caraway's marketing budget. Here's where we cut through the marketing and examine actual cooking performance. Heat distribution. Both brands perform well. Neither shows problematic hotspots during normal cooking. GreenPan's thicker aluminum in premium lines provides slightly better heat retention, but the difference is subtle. Non-stick performance. When new, both brands release food beautifully. By month 18, you're adding more butter and facing more stuck-on food, regardless of which brand you bought. Durability. GreenPan's reinforced coatings in premium lines resist scratching better than Caraway's standard coating. GreenPan's hard anodized aluminum exteriors also resist denting and warping better. Weight and handling. Caraway pans are noticeably lighter. Some cooks prefer this for ease of handling. Others feel GreenPan's heft suggests more substantial construction. Oven safety. GreenPan wins with most collections rated to 600 degrees Fahrenheit compared to Caraway's 550 degrees Fahrenheit limit. Here's what nearly every review glosses over. Ceramic non-stick cookware is a fundamentally compromised product. It will never last as long as stainless steel or cast iron. What you're gaining is avoiding PFAS chemicals. Both GreenPan and Caraway deliver on that promise. Neither contains toxic forever chemicals. Both are legitimately safer options. The question isn't which brand is safer, they're equally safe. The question is whether Caraway's aesthetic premium is worth paying. So, which brand wins? Here's my honest recommendation. Choose GreenPan if you want proven ceramic non-stick technology at a reasonable price. You're buying from the company that pioneered this category, with 15+ years of refinement. The money you save compared to Caraway can buy additional pieces or replacement pans when the coating inevitably degrades. Choose Caraway if aesthetic presentation genuinely matters to you, if seeing beautiful cookware brings you daily joy, if you love their storage solutions, if you value that Instagram-worthy appearance, then Caraway delivers. Just understand you're paying significantly more for design rather than superior cooking performance or longer-lasting non-stick properties. Both brands face the same fundamental limitation. Ceramic non-stick coatings degrade. You will need to replace these pans in 2 to 4 years, regardless of which brand you choose. Both need replacement at similar intervals, but one costs more than twice as much annually. The brutal honesty? Ceramic non-stick might not be the best choice at all if longevity matters. Traditional stainless steel or cast iron will outlast either brand by decades. But if you're committed to avoiding PFAS chemicals, both are legitimate options, just with very different price points for similar performance. Here's the bottom line. Caraway has masterfully marketed their cookware as a lifestyle upgrade. Their products are genuinely good ceramic non-stick cookware, but GreenPan offers equivalent or better performance at significantly lower prices, backed by the company that literally invented this category. For most home cooks, GreenPan represents far better value. If Caraway's aesthetic genuinely brings you joy, buy it, guilt-free. Just go in with eyes wide open, understanding you're paying a substantial premium for design rather than superior cooking performance. What's your take? Team GreenPan or Team Caraway? Drop a comment below. If this comparison helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching.